Mom, you don't want to come in the video?
No,
You will make us look better.
no.
Okay, now start again.
Okay. Welcome to another episode of Tiny Kitchen Cooking with Ann. Actually, we're still here from last episode, but this gonna post. Well, I mean, once you see it, it's already later. We're gonna do steamed fish with soy sauce and a bunch of stuff. You can find this in Chinese restaurant anywhere in Thailand. Quite famous. They usually use sea bass, but we don't really have that here, so we're gonna use halibut that bought it fresh caught. So it's about this big. This is good size to make it. But in Thailand they use the whole fish. But this is 5 ounce. But just depends how much you want to cook. And sometimes we use cod, but I don't think cod is as good. They crumble too easily. And I'm gonna do it differently because they usually steam it, put the sauce on it, but I'm gonna put this in the sauce because they're not as the texture is not the same as sea bass, so you want the sauce to go in there. Or I want the sauce to go in there. So I already heat this. I'm gonna pour. So first we're gonna kind of fry the herbs. Have some smell of it. This
Say it louder.
ginger, green onion, garlic, sesame oil. Don't put too much of sesame oil; they're bitter. Black pepper. You can put like the whole peppercorn thing, but I don't care. I like it ground. I mean, what's the point? I don't know. I do it my way. Almost forget coriander. And what they did is like they drained this out, but I'm just gonna leave it in there. Just don't eat it, but you can eat it. Why not? Ooh, it's not good. I feel like I forget something. So I'm gonna put soy sauce. A little bit of oyster sauce. Sean like mushroom soy sauce, so I'm gonna put it in. And I like it too. Sugar. Gonna blot it down. I think that's enough sauce. Probably, huh? I like more pepper. I really like pepper, so I put a lot in everything. You know what? Did you put soy sauce yet? I don't know. I just like soy sauce with everything, but you don't put it.
Fish sauce?
Fish sauce with everything. This green onion, I'm gonna put it on top. And this is how I cut it. But usually they make it really fine, but I'm lazy today. Okay, so usually you steam the fish separately and then pour the sauce on top. But I'm gonna do it differently. Gonna put it in there. Cause I think this fish is like denser. That's the word, right? Heat down a little bit. I'm gonna cover it. Leave it for a while. I'm probably gonna flip it. If it's not enough sauce, you can add more water and season more. But I think that should be okay for people too. I haven't seen sack forever. We need a bigger plate for all the people I want to invite. Is that still pink in there? Yeah. I have to fix that. Oops.
Fish is really thick, so
Yeah.
it's gonna take some time.
Like you. Oh, I think this fish is gonna be so good. Because we usually do cod. But this, the halibut is more expensive here, right? Right, Dad? More expensive than cod. You think it's done? I never cooked cod. Oh yeah, it's done, huh?
Oh yeah, it is. I can see.
Okay. So usually we put like the sweet chili, the red one. You know, it's kind of like garnish. And we put the young ginger, like you slide them like that. But we can't find that here, and it's too. How you call it, Dad? They're usually smooth, but this is too woody, too
Woody?
woody, too woody. That's what they call. Yeah. In Thailand, they don't sell the young kind here. I'm gonna put that there. And just cover it a little bit to make it kind of cook a little bit. I think usually the original way they put that on top and pour the sauce on top, but that's because they don't do that. And right before I'm gonna put the Chinese wine. I have no idea what this is. I just saw it and I pick it up. But sometimes, you know what? Use any kind of whiskey. But I think one time I used Jack Daniel. I'm scared I'm gonna pour the whole thing. Just pour it on the fish. Whoopi wanna come in. Oh, one break. I could use a lot more green onion. I like a lot. So some place they take this, like, how you call it, this sieve it out. Sieve it out? Use a sieve to get the things out. Strainer. And put little coriander on top. That's it. Steamed fish with soy sauce. You can find this.
Back up.
You can find this anywhere in Chinese restaurant in Thailand. Do we see it here? I don't think so, huh? Oh, maybe I don't. Oh, even some Thai restaurant, a seafood restaurant, they always make this. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube. Why do I have problem with this? And Mr. Blue Event Chef on Facebook, which we post pictures also when we don't make video, and sometimes Sean cook and post pictures. And Instagram, and I already say YouTube. Yeah. hot at jazz. See ya. Welcome. Suddenly I'm Scandinavian or whatever. Is that what they say?